wall supported Halasana for beginners. First, move your body close to the wall. Make sure your toes should touch the wall. Lie down and place your both feet on the wall. Adjust yourself. Now gently raise your hips up. Move your both feet little more up and raise one leg up, then another leg. Once you are comfortable, then hold your hips and raise one leg up, then release your another leg also from the wall, and one leg will be up in the air and another leg you can try to touch the floor. If it is not coming, it's perfectly all right. You just do it one by one, very gently. Try quite few times and gently first go back to the wall with one leg, then another leg with all your balance, and keep your hips down and gently move your leg down and both feet will be on ground. And